My name is Josh Oakes. I am a research scientist and I am part of our newly formed cell therapy group. So I actually started my career as a dietitian. Part of being a dietitian, you have to do an internship where you basically work in a hospital and you follow a registered dietitian. Part of this involved working in the intensive care unit. It became clear to me that a lot of our available treatments were not adequate. I decided that I would like to improve the drugs that we could give to patients, and that's why I joined a PhD program to work in the pharmaceutical sciences. I was actually interviewing a few companies when I was recruited here, and my interview here was remarkably pleasant. All of the people were, they asked good questions, they were tough questions. Since joining here, it's definitely met my expectations as far as people not just willing to work together, but they like to work together. They want to help you succeed, which I think is terrific. After graduating from my PhD, I did 2 postdocs, so they're academic, and then I actually worked at 2 startups before. When compared to a startup is we look at different diseases. We have a choice of modalities. In the startup environment, it's usually very focused. So you're targeting just one disease. You usually have 1 or 2 drugs. Here, we have the opportunity to look at different diseases wherever the patients need the therapeutic. A lot of other companies, it's just one thing, and if it doesn't pan out, then it's just no go. One of the big highlights while working at Kyowa Kirin is actually part of my antibody discovery project. We needed an antibody that had a specific property. We weren't sure if it was even possible, and it turns out not only is it possible, but it works great. I'm really happy about that.